In this question, we're asked to divide two whole numbers. We're asked to divide 8,633 by 89. To do this, we look at the divisor 89, and we ask ourselves, does 89 divide into 8? And the answer is no. Does 89 divide into 86? The answer is no. So we move on to the next digit. Does 89 go into 863? Well, yes. Now the question is how many times? To estimate how many times it goes in there, we can round 89 to 90 and think 90 into 86, 860. We might estimate about 9 times. Now somewhere over to the side, we multiply 89 times 9, and we get 801. And that is less than 863, so we will try 9 times. We write that the 9 above the 3, since we're dividing 89 into 863, and then the product 89 times 9 we subtract from 863, but technically it's 9 tenths. So it's 90 times 89, and that is 8,010, another 0 from what we had over here. Now we subtract, find out what's left to divide, and we have 623 left to divide. 623 is greater than 89, so we need to do another step in the division. We ask ourselves, how many times does 89 go into 623? Again, to estimate, we might say that how many times does 90 go into 620? That's just to get an estimate. And we would guess or estimate about 7 times. To check that, we need to multiply 89 times 7. And we get that 89 times 7 is 623. It turns out that 89 times 7 is exactly 623. We write the 7 above the 3. We write the product 89 times 7 under 623 and subtract, and our remainder is 0. So the answer is just the 97.